Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to share your Threads profile link on your Android device. Sharing your profile link is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. To get started, open the Threads app on your Android device and click on your profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your Threads profile page. Next, click on the Share Profile button located on the page. This will bring up a menu of sharing options. From the available options, select the method you prefer to share your profile link. You can share the link via social media, messaging apps, or any other platform you prefer. By sharing your Threads profile link, you can easily connect with friends and family and share your conversations and updates with them. You can also use your profile link to promote your Threads account and grow your following. It's important to note that when you share your profile link, you're sharing your entire profile with others. This includes your profile picture, bio, and all your public threads. Make sure you're comfortable sharing this information before you share your profile link. In conclusion, sharing your Threads profile link on your Android device is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily share your profile link with others and connect with friends and family. You can also use your profile link to grow your following and promote your Threads account. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.